Greetings, fellow homeowners. Have you ever felt the allure of the sun, its warmth, its light, its life-giving energy? Today, we're here to talk about harnessing that power, not just for the environment's sake, but for your own. We're going to explore the world of solar equipment, and more importantly, why Munson Holding LLC's offerings stand head and shoulders above the rest. When it comes to solar equipment, you might have noticed a wide range of prices. Some may be significantly cheaper than what we offer. But let's not forget, value is not just about the price tag, it's about what you get for that investment. Our equipment is meticulously crafted, using the latest technology and the highest quality materials. This ensures not only longevity, but also optimal performance, even in challenging conditions. So, while you might pay a little more upfront, you'll reap the rewards for years to come. Imagine building a house. You wouldn't skimp on the foundation, would you? The same principle applies to solar equipment. It's not just about the panels or the inverters, it's about the entire system working seamlessly together. Our equipment is built to last, with rigorous quality control measures at every step. From the moment it's manufactured to the day it's installed on your rooftop, you can be confident in its reliability. And in the rare event that something does go wrong, our dedicated support team is just a call away. Sure, any solar equipment can generate electricity, but what sets ours apart are the additional benefits. Take, for example, our smart monitoring system. It not only tracks your energy production, but also provides valuable insights, allowing you to optimize your usage and maximize your savings. And let's not forget about aesthetics. Our panels are sleek and modern, seamlessly blending with your home's design. It's the little things like these that make a big difference. We understand that our offerings might not be for everyone, and that's okay. We're not looking to serve every homeowner. We're looking to serve the discerning few. Those who value quality, reliability, and the peace of mind that comes with it. Those who see solar equipment not just as an investment, but as a statement of their commitment to a sustainable future. If you're one of those individuals, then Munson Holding is here for you, ready to provide an unmatched experience. As we wrap up, remember, solar equipment is not just about the here and now. Call 850-583-0187 for details and to schedule your installation. That's 850-583-0187. 850-583-0187. It's about the future, a future where you're not at the mercy of rising energy costs, a future where you're doing your part in reducing your carbon footprint. And most importantly, a future where you're in control. So, if you're ready to take that leap, to embrace the power of the sun, we're here, waiting to embark on this journey with you. Together, let's make a difference.